Alright, I'm gonna be playing more Retrostudio because I don't know, I'm bored. Work long hours with many clicks and won't get to get more many clicks. Games is just Roblox. The web. Okay. This. Oh man, work at a pizza place. You can never go wrong with this game. Mostly, I think. What the fuck? Yo, it's a golden turkey. Golden turkey. I don't know what the hell you want actually. Oh. Reset boxes. Oh, I can't drag things on mobile. Oh, shit. Ow. Anyways, ooh, the cars work. You're getting on a mobile? Yeah. Okay. You can't even grab drinks in this game? Yeah, that sucks. Oh no. This does not give me any hopes. Already seen the classic like 2019 or maybe even 2018 to 2020 like sort of element. Oh, look at that, I got my weapon. Oh shit, I spawned that right on my foot. Now bomb Jeff to kill her. Can I kill Jeff? I killed myself, but I didn't kill Jeff. I'll take that as a no. Whoa, this game is laggy already. Alright, there we go. Ooh, already on the white team, so I got a perfect little straight. I already played this game before. Yeah, I did. I already played this game before. Look at this shitty little boat. I don't even know if it counts as a boat. Whoa, I'm going off. Oh shit, what? Oh. What is that popping sound? Is that one of them? Well, there we go. Oh dear. Whenever I last played this game, like, whenever you launched and sat down in a seat, you could like see through all your blocks, so that you can have a better view of things. It doesn't work now. I don't know what happened. you fucking not. What the hell? What? Man, what the hell? I just got disintegrated. Welcome to Robloxia. This game sounds pretty cool. Oh shit. Police officer, no way. What am I? You only got a taser? Down, boy, down. Oh man. I don't even have a gun. What the hell? Oh, my nose. But bro, what am I supposed to do? Just zap him? Is that all I can do? I don't even have handcuffs or a baton. It doesn't do anything. What the hell? Wait, what? Bro. Oh. At least this game doesn't really have any acorns. I mean, I'm a factory worker now, but this is so much worse. Ooh, I get a truck though. I probably got police cruisers last time. Can I can I go in there? And I can't even drive it on here. Okay. Ow. And it looks like I have no shirt. Okay.
I hope you like being